Good morning guys, in front of me is Nubia Neo 5G and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you want to personalize and click on edit icon. Mark add picture and now you can choose something from your gallery. You can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera. You can select some from your Google Photos or one from the illustrations. And let me pick, for example, this illustration, then customize it however you like with preset. Obviously you can zoom it in and out however you like. You can also rotate it if you want. And once edited, tap on choose. Then mark save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. So this is how you can apply photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.